Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alabadi Unique. It's so good to have you here. I know guys, it's a very difficult period for everybody. Everyone is tensed, we are anxious, we are tired, we are angry. It's just a mixed feeling all around, but I want to tell you to be patient. We are all in this together, and together we are going to beat this pandemic. We are going to come out victorious, and it's just a great time as well to pull together, to enjoy one another, to enjoy our family, our sibling, our marriage, our husbands, our wives, and our kids, to cherish everything around us, to appreciate everything around us, our surroundings, and everything that we take for granted. Please, my heart goes out to those that have lost a family or friends or loved ones. It's a very difficult situation, but I know that when we all stick together, we are going to beat this disease, this virus. So please stay at home, stay safe, and look around you. If there's anybody around you that you know that desperately needs your help, please don't hesitate to render that help, because it's just a small word seeing what is happening today. So please enjoy yourself, find anything to keep you busy, to be sure that you are okay. Make yourself comfortable, make your family, make people around you comfortable, and yes, just enjoy the time. So for this video today, I'm cooking with the kids. We really want to do this together, and they want to share their abilities. So we'll be making spaghetti sauce, not the traditional spaghetti sauce. This is my version of spaghetti sauce. This recipe has been in my family for a long time, so I enjoy it, and I wanted to show and share it with you. If it's what you would want to try out, for me it's very delicious. It's not restricted to only spaghetti sauce, spaghetti or pasta. You can as well use it for any other food. You can use rice with it, you can use potato, sweet potato, whatever that suits you. So for me, I'll be using this sauce with spaghetti. So these are the few ingredients that I have with me. Colored peppers, I love those. Red peppers, yellow pepper, and green pepper. Some carrots, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, and giving it a thorough wash, and getting it ready to be diced and chopped before we start the main cooking. I know you'll be like, what is she doing? Why is she slicing this vegetable like this? Why is she not slicing it or dicing it in block shaped? I don't like block shape most of the time. I like my vegetable fat and chunky, so I love to see them when I'm eating there, and by so doing it doesn't cook too too fast, so I still enjoy the I still have to enjoy the crunchiness when I'm eating this my food with this vegetable. Otherwise, yeah, it's up to you if you want to dice yours in block shape or however shape you want, but this is just like how I like mine. This chicken, first off, I'm going to tell you I love chicken. I love chicken. Anyway, um, I'm going to tell you how I made this chicken, how I prepared it. Um, First off, I just parboiled it a bit with salt, chicken stock, um, some garlic, some fresh pepper, and thyme. I cooked it enough and I deep fried it. So right now I'm going to be shredding it so I can use it for this spaghetti sauce. But my confession is I love chicken. I can't make a meal without chicken except for our traditional meal for fufu. That is the only time I don't use chicken for my sauce. Every other thing I love chicken. So moving on. So next I'll be going to the kitchen proper. I'm going to start cooking the sauce, starting off with vegetable oil. Pour some vegetable oil into our cooking pot. It really doesn't matter what kind of vegetable oil you want to use. It is totally up to you, your preference. Then next I'll pour onto my pot the onions and then my garlic before the other ingredients. I do this because I just want that aroma explosion at once. The garlic and the onions frying together, it gives the kitchen a very powerful aroma, and you just cannot help but get hungry immediately. This is completely optional. I'm just adding this pork chopped, and you really don't have to do exactly the same thing I'm doing or using the same ingredients, as long as you are okay with what you want to use. For me, it doesn't really matter, but this is what I like to use uh, on my video. So you are not restricted to all the ingredients that I'm using right now. So I'm just adding all these ingredients bit by bit, so they all have their time to cook and blend in equally. So the sauce is ready. We are going to cook our spaghetti and pasta. So what you see in this pot is the chicken stock. I usually use my chicken stock to boil my spaghetti, so it gives it that extra taste and quality that I really love. So that's what I'm letting you see here. So I'm cooking the pasta first, at least for 10 to 15 minutes, because it takes time for it to cook and soft, at least to the texture that I like. So afterwards I'll add the spaghetti. Usually I cook them apart, but because I'm famished, I'm hungry, I don't have that time to cook anything apart right now. So I just want to cook the spaghetti and go ahead and eat it. And eat, I mean, with my family. The kids are already um, they are already very tired because we are doing it all together. It takes longer. So that's basically what I'm doing here right now. So our pasta is ready and spaghetti. So yeah, I can't wait to try this food or eat this food because I'm famished. I'm hungry. I want to just eat already. It looks so delicious. So would you like to try this at home? Tell me in the comment section below and let me know what kind of ingredients you will try out to make your own sauce. Or do you have your own traditional or family recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Right now I just cannot wait to dig in. Come join us.